Hello friend, we are going to look at the top 5 best MIG welder on the market. We made the list based on our own opinion, research and customer reviews. We considered the quality, features and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updating price on this product's mentioned, check the description box below. Number 5. Simber MIG 140M MIG Welder. The Simber MIG 140M MIG Welder is a versatile and efficient welding solution suitable for both amateur and professional welders. It features flux core wire welding, dual voltage compatibility, gasless MIG and arc welding, automatic wire feeding speed, and a compact and portable design. The machine is designed for flux core wire welding, ensuring clean and precise welds. It also offers dual voltage options of 110V 220V and a single voltage option of 220V, making it suitable for various welding environments. The automatic wire feeding speed ensures optimal wire feeding, making the welding process more efficient. The machine is compact and portable, weighing just 6.8 kilograms and measuring 39.6 to 1.228 centimeters, making it easy to carry to different job sites. It comes with a wide range of plugs, including US, EU, AU, and UK, making it compatible with various power outlets. The Simber MIG 140M is CE certified, ensuring compliance with European safety standards. It is manufactured by Simber, a trusted and reputable brand known for producing high-performance welding equipment. Number 4. K-Gree Flux 135 MIG Welder. The K-Gree Flux 135 MIG Welder is a revolutionary tool for both beginners and experienced welders. It operates on standard 220V household current and can handle MMA, gasless MIG, and TIG lift processes. With an impressive output of up to 135A, it can weld mild steel plates up to 4 mm thick. The micro-adjust feature allows for precise welding control, enabling seamless transitions from low to high power welding. The welder features a smart digital display for easy reading of output welding current, ensuring accuracy and precision. The 2T operation mode is perfect for spot welding and simple tasks, making it suitable for both beginners and professionals. The Flux 135 also comes with an automatic protection feature, ensuring safety for both the user and the machine. The compact and lightweight design of the welder weighs just 5 kilograms and measures 390,165,300 millimeters, making it easy to store and transport. Overall, the K-Gree Flux 135 MIG Welder is a game changer in the welding industry. Number 3. Xpojin MIG 145 MIG Welder. The Xpojin MIG 145 MIG Welder is a powerful and efficient welding machine that offers numerous features for both amateurs and professionals. It operates on an input voltage of AC 220V plus or minus 15% and an input current of 25A, delivering an output voltage ranging from 11V to 24 volts. Its versatile welding capabilities include compatibility with flux core, automatic wire feeding, and unified control functions. The welder also offers customizable settings, allowing users to adjust the width of the welding bead through inductance control. Its user-friendly design includes IGBT inverter technology, current mode control, one-time molding feature, overheating and overcurrent protection, and a comfortable and convenient 240 cm MIG torch and 130 cm ground clamp. The auto-darkening filter enhances visibility and reduces eye strain, making welding tasks more efficient and comfortable. The welder's easy installation process and durable construction have left users highly satisfied, with one customer stating that the device arrived promptly and exceeded their expectations. Number 2. Hitbox HBM 1200 MIG Welder. The Hitbox HBM 1200 MIG Welder by Shenzhen Unitweld Welding and Motor Company Limited is a powerful and versatile welding tool designed for professionals and enthusiasts. With a compact design measuring 35x18x22 centimeters and weighing only 7.29 kilograms, this welder delivers impressive power and versatility in welding, cutting, and grinding tasks. Its robust construction, made from high-quality stainless steel, ensures longevity and is visually appealing. The welder's gasless wire welding capability allows for precise and clean welds without the need for gas cylinders. The one-way circuit simplifies operation, allowing users of all levels of expertise to focus on their work without getting bogged down by complex settings. Operating at a mere 52 decibels, the welder provides a quiet and efficient working environment. The 1080p display offers clear and precise readouts, enhancing the user experience and allowing for seamless workflow. Overall, the Hitbox HBM 1200 MIG Welder is a top choice for professionals and enthusiasts seeking reliable and efficient welding tools. Number 1. Andeli MIG 250ME MIG Welder. The Andeli MIG 250ME MIG Welder is a versatile and user-friendly tool that offers a range of features for both beginners and experienced welders. It supports MIG, FCAW, stick, MMA, and lift TIG welding processes, making it a versatile tool for various welding projects. The welder's synergic control feature simplifies welding by pre-programming welding parameters with precise data, making it user-friendly for beginners. The gasless MIG welding feature allows for the use of 0.8 and 1.0 flux cord welding wire, suitable for welding steel from 1 to 4 mm thickness. Safety is paramount, with automatic protection functions for overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating, and automatic compensation for voltage fluctuations, ensuring a secure and stable welding process. Andeli also provides exceptional customer service, with online support available for any issues, and a dedicated team of professional technicians providing timely technical support and solutions. Overall, the Andeli MIG 250ME MIG Welder is a powerful tool for both beginners and experienced welders. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. To get more storage solution videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next.